Mastering leather stamping, step-by-step guide to crafting success. Prepare the leather. Select the piece of leather you want to stamp. Ensure it is clean and free from any dirt or debris. Choose the stamp. Select the leather stamp or tool you want to use for the design. Leather stamps come in various shapes, sizes, and designs to create different patterns. Dampen the leather. For a more defined impression, you can lightly dampen the surface of the leather with a sponge or a spritz of water. Position the leather and stamp. Place the leather on a flat surface or a sturdy workbench. Hold the leather firmly in place to prevent any shifting during stamping. Apply pressure. Be sure to apply consistent pressure to ensure a uniform and clear design. Adjust the force depending on the depth and complexity of the design. Rotate and repeat. If you're creating a repeating pattern or a longer design, lift the stamp carefully, rotate it, and align it with the previously stamped impression. Edge stamping. For a more finished look, you can use edge stamps to create decorative borders around the edges of the leather piece. Finishing touches. Once you've completed the stamping process, you can apply leather finish or dye to the leather to enhance the design and protect it from wear and tear. Clean and maintain your stamps. Clean your stamps after each use to remove any accumulated leather residues or dye. A soft brush or cloth can be used for this purpose. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more at European Leatherworks.